Now we will learn about some geometric terms that we need to use in our O level and in A level and in all aspects of our life. You already know most of these terms, yet I am pronouncing this name again so that if any one of them was unknown to you before, it will be now familiar to you. The first one is point. You all know that if we just put a dot, we find a point. A line has only length, no width. A plane has length and width but no height. These lines are parallel lines. Parallel lines never meet each other or never crosses each other. They always passes maintaining a fixed distance among them. Perpendicular line, when two lines crosses each other in such a way that the angle between them is 90 degree, those lines we call perpendicular line. Bearing. If 2 points A and B are given and you are asked that what is the bearing of B with respect to A, what shall we do? We will draw a north from the point A. We will join the points A and B and we will measure this angle. This angle is called bearing. We will discuss elaborately about it later. Now, right angle. The angle whose value is 90 degree, we call that angle a right angle. The angle whose value is less than 90 degree, we call that angle an acute angle. And the angle whose value is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, we call that angle an obtuse angle. Now, reflex angle. The angle whose value is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, we call that angle a reflex angle. What type of angle it is? If you draw this angle is an acute angle, but this angle is a reflex angle. Its value is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. If you draw an angle like this is an obtuse angle. The inner portion of this is an obtuse angle, but the outer portion of this is a reflex angle. This is a right angle. The inner portion of it is a right angle. The outer portion of it is a reflex angle. Interior angle. When you are drawing any fixed shape such as triangle or quadrilateral or pentagon, the angle of the inner portion is an interior angle. This is an interior angle. This is an interior angle. This is another interior angle. Exterior angle. When you extend any one side of an polygon, triangle, quadrilateral or any polygon, pentagon, hexagon, the angle between that extended portion and one of the side and the adjacent side is an exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. If we extend this part, this is another exterior angle. If we extend this part, this is another exterior angle. And the relationship between exterior angle and interior angle is they are supplementary. That means interior angle plus exterior angle equal to 180 degree for any case. For example, here if this angle is theta 1 interior angle and this angle is theta 2 exterior angle, then theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 180 degree. They are supplementary. Now, similarity. When we consider two shapes, for example, we consider two triangles, if each angle is same, this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle. If each of the angles are same, then we call these shapes similar. And what about congruency? If each angles are same, this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and this angle equal to this angle, and each of the sides are also same, this side equal to this side equal to this side equal to this side. If each of the angles are same and each of the sides are also same, then we will call those shapes to be congruent. These terms will frequently occur in your mathematics, especially in geometries, and I taught you so that you don't get confused about hearing any of the terms described here.